Built for fun, built for adventure, built for you. The 2018 Chateau Sprinter from Thor Motor Coach. With 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque at your command, the Chateau is waiting for you to climb aboard and take you to your destination. While the driver sits in the comfortable captain's chair, surrounded by easy-to-read gauges and a media center featuring rearview camera, the passengers ride in style, belted into the comfortable jackknife sofa or dinette. As functional as they are stylish, both can be set up for mealtime, game time, or bedtime with a few easy adjustments. When you've arrived, the captain's chairs swivel so everyone has a comfortable place to sit, and all seats are in view of the swivel-mounted TV with Blu-ray player and new roof-mounted HD antenna. The kitchen in the Chateau Sprinter is curbside and comes equipped with a 3-burner gas cooktop, double-door refrigerator, and double-bowl stainless steel sink. We've maximized your storage space with a flip-up countertop extension, and we moved the convection microwave below the counter and redesigned the high-sheen cabinet so you can bring what you need and keep it within arm's reach. You'll find great storage up front and in the bedroom, where you will also find a queen bed with Denver mattress. The new 24WS features a full-size bed for a great night's sleep, and the bedroom offers up more storage and an optional TV. All floor plans also feature an over-the-cab bunk. The new 24WS features a great bathroom layout with the sink outside the door. All restrooms feature stainless steel sinks set into higher vanities, and the instant tankless hot water heater means long hot showers whether you go first or last. And the large skylight gives you more headroom while letting in natural light. When the sun is shining, you'll love the depth and shine of the HD Max exterior. Your Chateau comes equipped with a power awning featuring LED lights. Both work with just the touch of a button, located at your entry door right by the new lighted battery disconnect switch. The large storage bays keep your belongings safe and secure with new locks and keys, and each bay now has its own light. The Chateau features an exterior propane connection, LED lights, a generator, and the 24FS is equipped with stabilizer jacks. When you're ready to discover the fun and adventure of a Chateau Sprinter, build yours at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $135 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership-performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?